This is an entirely different forest when it's raining like this. It is a cool 49 degrees this morning. It's absolutely perfect. It's going to be about 72 today.
Welcome to Clarity Off-Grid. We're Matt and Kristina, a couple who balances an off-grid lifestyle in a self-sustaining home in southwestern Colorado, with traveling near and far in our van, Clarity. Join us this summer as we give our home some overdue TLC and take on growing food in our challenging climate. Don't worry, we'll still bring you along on breathtaking travels through the mountains and deserts we call home. If you'd like to learn more about off-grid living and van life traveling, make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to ring the bell to make sure you get notified when we upload new videos. We decided we're going to try to get some yams started for the indoor garden, and they're quite a bit different than starting just regular potatoes. We just have one from the store and Matt cut off the ends and they're here, and then we're just putting them in these little dishes, filling up the water, and then we'll just set them out and wait for them to sprout.
This is some of the most beautiful basil I've ever gotten. Fresh from the farmer's market.
Jesse's turn to eat. Okay. Aw, sit. Shake. Touch. Stay. Okay. Good doggy.
The basil makes it. This week I've been busy doing some road maintenance, and our neighbor was so generously offered to let me use his tractor, and he's got a grater blade on the back of it. I was able to get the bar ditches cleaned out. I just have to clean up the entrance to this road. This is the entrance to our driveway, and I'll be spending the rest of today doing that before it starts raining. We are supposed to get some good rain over the next 2 days. There's some leftover debris in the road from doing the fire mitigation, and I'm raking that out of there too. So the object of the game here is to have nice bar ditches on the sides of the road that look like this. Well, that was fun.
Are you wishing to create a more self-reliant lifestyle? Are you concerned about having a reliable source of clean water? Do you want to create an independent source of energy? Maybe you're considering growing your own food. Before I built our off-grid, self-sustaining home, I realized that I didn't even know what questions to ask because I didn't know what I didn't know. So we've put together a one-stop resource for you, sustainablehomeresource.com. Here you'll find free videos and downloads, as well as our book, Twisted Oak, A Journey to Create a Self-Sustaining Life and Home, as well as our step-by-step online video course. Visit www.sustainablehomeresource.com today to get started creating the life you want.
With friends now a lot. It's been such a full dance card that I've set up. We visited people on Saturday night, Sunday night. We got somebody coming Thursday night, and we had somebody come over Monday night
And Monday afternoon.
and Monday midday. So we are just like
Over-socialized.
And
now we're really feeling the need to just get out in nature and get another hike and get Jessie out and just change it up a bit. We finally got what we think is the last project in the van done. And that is to put up these curtains behind our seats. And Matt bought really heavy blackout curtains, and we're hoping that that is going to reduce the noise that we have when we're here in the cockpit and help Jessie and also improve our filming so we don't have so much background noise. So this will be the maiden voyage with the new curtains, and we'll see how they work.
you saw us getting in the van and heading out and then having to jump start the battery. What happened is last winter I didn't have the house batteries installed, and I'm not sure if that drained the battery, but I ended up in the winter time, during the coldest part of the winter, having the main battery in the van, the starting battery just kept dying. And so it works fine when I'm driving the van. When we're going places, it works and charges up, and it lasts for about 3 or 4 days now. But after that, the battery goes dead. So I know I need to replace the battery, but got in after just 3 days of not driving the van, and we started it up, went to start it up, and it almost started and not quite. So we had to jump start it.
So that's the last project for the van, not the curtains.
So that's the last project for the van now. Got to do that.
I don't think there's ever a last project, to be honest. Everywhere you look, there's these big bright mushrooms.
Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Twin berries.
Yep.
She says, I guess you could also call them blue balls.
I'm pretty sure this is mistletoe, mimicking the pine tree that is its host.
It is so beautiful and peaceful out here. And we're just thinking this would be a great place to end this video.
Well said. We hope you've enjoyed coming along on our hikes. We hope you've enjoyed the wildflowers and the mushrooms. That's pretty much what's going on in our world right now, so we wanted to share that with you. I just want to take a minute and thank every one of you who has emailed us, who's left a comment about our lily. I just can't express how much that has helped, and you guys are just the best. You're so kind and understanding, and I just really appreciate you. So thank you.
Yeah. See you on the next one.
We'll see you soon.